Hey everyone, today I have yet another unboxing video for you guys. So today it's gonna be two watches. These are the Honor watch. It's so called Huawei Honor Watch Dream. So I have two different versions with me. One is with black color and one is another with apricot color. So these are the model numbers. So the model number will be TLS B19. Once again, it's TLS B19. So let's go moving on with the black version first. So this is the black variant, and as you can see, it's similar to the Huawei Watch GT. It's just the brand is Honor, and the function is exactly the same as the Huawei GT. I went ahead and set up the watch. So as far as I can tell, every function is similar to the Huawei watch, except being the battery life and the screen as well being 1.2 in opposed to 1.3. So this is the black version which I got with the black strap. You can get it one with the black and red strap as well. So in the box you have your charging cable and your charging dock and some paperwork. So this will be just a quick unboxing guys, and if you want to see the review, I'll be posting it soon once I start it using in my daily life. But as far as I can tell, this watch is running good and smooth with all the function of Huawei Watch GT. So moving on to the next color, let me just keep this aside for the while. The next one is apricot color. It's from a partner, so basically it's kind of a ladies watch if you ask me. So as you can see, the apricot color is itself gorgeous. It looks simply gorgeous. So that's the menu. So basically the function is still the same with Huawei Watch GT, and the difference being only the screen 1.2 inch in opposed to 1.3 and the battery life. So if you have some questions, just hit me up in the comments so I can reply to it. And if you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So I'll be posting the reviews for these watches soon. So please be updated on my channel, and thanks for supporting me.